Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your computer. First, always back up your crucial files to an external drive or cloud storage before starting. Next, ensure your computer is plugged into a power source to prevent interruptions. Finally, understand the two primary reset options: keeping your personal files or completely removing everything for a fresh start. This preparation is key for a smooth process. For Windows users, begin by opening your settings and navigating to the Recovery section. Here, you will find the Reset This PC option. You can choose to keep my files to retain personal data or remove everything for a complete wipe. Then, decide if you want to reinstall Windows locally or download a fresh copy from the cloud. This process typically takes between 15 and 30 minutes. Mac users should restart their computer and immediately hold down the Command and R keys to enter macOS Recovery. From the Utilities window, select Disk Utility to erase your startup disk. After erasing, return to the Utilities window and choose Reinstall macOS. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation, which can take up to 45 minutes depending on your internet speed. After your computer resets, the first step is to reinstall your essential applications and restore any backed up data. Next, ensure all drivers and your operating system are fully updated to maintain optimal performance and security. If you encounter issues like boot loops or software conflicts, try running built-in diagnostic tools or consulting online resources. A successful reset provides a clean, efficient system.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.